By mastering these 4 secrets of girls, you'll surely succeed in winning over the girl you like. Before approaching a girl, you need to understand the secrets that could make her want to start a relationship with you. Many guys often get confused about what girls are thinking, and some even believe that girls are complicated creatures. If you're one of the guys who thinks this way, that's a huge problem. This means you're at a stage where you're struggling to approach girls, not understanding them, or the secrets that are their weaknesses. That's why you absolutely need to watch this video till the end, because every point is crucial, especially point number 3. Alright, let's jump into it. Here are the 4 secrets about girls that, if you master, will help you win them over easily. 1. Girls actually like bad boys. Many guys complain about why girls prefer bad boys over good ones. There are even guys who try to be as nice as possible around girls but end up getting rejected, while the girl chooses a guy with a rebellious or somewhat bad personality. The reason for this is that, naturally, girls are attracted to the aggressiveness, toughness, and masculinity that a man exhibits. These 3 traits may not always be entirely positive, but the truth is that they are the most desired and needed qualities by girls from a man. So, does that mean to get these traits, you have to become a bad boy? Of course not. You just need to embody the principles behind these traits. You can have an aggressive character by being confident and dominant when you're around a girl. Toughness comes from being calm, especially in uncomfortable situations. Masculinity can be built by working on your physical fitness, ideally by working out at least 3 times a week. Even better if you start lifting weights, because weight training naturally boosts testosterone levels, which greatly impacts your masculinity. Once you have these 3 traits, you need to pair them with maturity and a healthy mindset. 2. Girls. Play hard to get. This is one of the most confusing traits of girls for guys. Sometimes they seem sweet, but other times they disappear. They start out acting caring and attentive, but can suddenly turn cold and distant. Girls who intentionally hold back their feelings and play with a guy's emotions are what we call playing hard to get. Should you fight for a girl like this? I'd suggest you don't waste your time trying to get the attention of a girl like this. If you follow her game, you'll end up being her emotional slave, where she feels superior and can control you whenever she wants. It's better to move on to another girl who isn't afraid to openly show her feelings, because girls like this tend to have a lower ego, are more mature, and can love you sincerely. 3. Appearance and personality. Girls often judge guys based on 2 aspects: appearance and personality. Some girls believe a guy's appearance is the most important thing, while others think personality matters more as long as the guy is good-hearted. Many guys often get confused about whether to prioritize appearance or personality when approaching a girl. The answer is, both are equally important. You need to maintain and even improve your appearance, because that's the first thing girls notice and pay attention to. However, once a girl is impressed by your appearance, you need to show her that your personality is just as good. But let me clarify. Having a good personality here doesn't mean you have to become a nice guy who is always obedient and gets used by girls. Instead, it means being a guy with a clear life purpose, strong principles, and the decisiveness to distinguish right from wrong. 4. How to approach a girl. No matter how handsome, rich, or successful a guy is, he might not know how to approach a girl, when to make a move, what to talk about, and so on. Many guys still struggle with this. The bad news is, there's no one-size-fits-all formula that works 100% for getting the girl you like, because every girl is different. Sometimes a girl might be approached with method A, but other times method B is the only way to go. The secret you need to understand is that you will only succeed in approaching and winning a girl over if you're willing to open up, not too proud to make the first move, and not shy to introduce yourself or start a conversation. At first, it might be hard, but you'll get used to it as you gain more experience. To avoid getting nervous when opening up to a girl, think of it as just making a new friend. Let go of the mindset that you want to make her your girlfriend or partner right away. By doing this, you'll be more relaxed, and your body language and words will feel more natural to her. Once again, when approaching a girl, adopt the mindset that you just want to be her friend, and nothing more. When you're both comfortable, and your relationship has grown closer, then you can gradually show that you want to take the relationship further. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope it's helpful.